The foolish monkey. Once there lived a carpenter in a village. There was a big mango tree near his workplace. Some monkeys lived on that tree. They used to watch with great interest the carpenter's working. One day, the carpenter was cutting a huge log with a saw. He felt hungry, so he pushed a wedge into the split portion of the half-cut log and went for the lunch. When the carpenter left, the monkeys jumped down from the tree. One monkey sat on the log and tried to pull the wedge out of the log with his hands. Suddenly the wedge came out. The two parts of the split log snapped shut, crushing the monkey's tail in between. The monkey cried in pain and jumped off the log. But now he was a monkey without a tail.